guys, so they just did a drop on the Concord 11s and happened to get lucky. I was on the app. I'm getting smacked in the face with ice. I'm just excited. I'm going home early. I got the Concord 11s. I feel like there was something else I needed to say. I can't remember what it was, so I'm just gonna end it at that. Peace. This car is not moving. Everybody else seems to be stuck too. Thank God I bought this thing. The path. Gotta clear it out. I got bald tires. There's people stuck everywhere. And I'm exhausted. I want to get home already. But anyway, let me get back to the scraping. We went from all the way down in that corner to right over here with this thing right here, and I'm still at it. I just gotta get to that traffic light. I don't know if I'll ever make it out. Contemplating getting Dunkin' Donuts. I finally got towed to a gas station, got some coffee. What a day. I'm driving behind a plow truck right now, so it's like, thank you.